If your car does this, your injector may already be bad. 1. Rough idling or shaking. The engine can't get fuel evenly. 2. Sudden loss of engine power. Pressing the accelerator, nothing happens. 3. Black smoke from the exhaust. Too much fuel is entering the engine. 4. Fuel disappears very fast. Bad injectors waste fuel. 5. Engine misfire or knocking. Combustion is no longer correct. Quick warning: ignoring injectors can damage pistons and valves. Please subscribe to Automech Academy. Save and share, this repair is cheaper when early.